This ant can jump higher than NASA rockets. Okay, so it's not that impressive. It's smaller than a grain of rice. But this little guy has some serious hops. It's called a flea beetle, and it can jump 200 times its own height. That's like a human leaping over a 40-story skyscraper. And get this, it does it every day. Okay, so how does it do this? Well, it turns out that these little insects have a natural spring in their legs. Kind of like a pogo stick, except it's way more efficient than that. The way it works is really cool. As the ant jumps, its legs store energy like a catapult and then release it all at once to launch itself even higher. NASA scientists have been trying to figure out how to make a robot that can jump like this for years, but they just can't seem to get it right. It's so frustrating. And here's the thing. We've known about this ant's amazing jumping abilities for a while now, but we just didn't know how it was doing it. Well, that is until now. A new study published in the Journal of Nature's methods used X-ray technology to capture the flea beetle in midair. And what they found was really surprising. It turns out that the secret to the flea beetle's amazing jump is a tiny spring-like structure in its legs. And this structure is made up of a bunch of small tubes filled with a liquid called hemolymph. As the flea beetle jumps, these tubes get compressed like a spring, and then when it lands, the tubes expand, pushing the hemolymph back into the body and launching the flea beetle into the air again. This process is so efficient that the flea beetle can jump 200 times its own height, which is higher than any other insect we know of. So there you have it. The secret to the flea beetle's amazing jump is a tiny spring in its legs. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to build robots that can do the same thing. Specimen use made possible by a University Museum of Zoology.